Today I've decided I'm going to test out one of the Christmas gifts that I got from Peyton Shuck. It's called Angry Mama. And you pull the head off, put water and vinegar in it, and then, oh, is the head on there proper? Oops, oh my gosh. That's so funny. Apparently, that's where that was. Derp. Bob it in there. Put it on for 7 minutes. You can put a little bit of lemon in there sometimes too, is what it says for smell, but I don't have any today. Anyways, let's see how this works. Okay, so here's the result after 7 minutes. It's just a steamy microwave, really. Makes it easier to wipe it, I'm sure. You have to be careful pulling this out. You can see there's still stuff up there, so I'm going to give it a wipe quickly and see if the Angry Mama did its job. Okay, so obviously I still had to wipe it out, sort of give it a little polish at the end, but to be honest, this is the cleanest I've seen my microwave in months. Now, could you accomplish the same thing with a bowl of water and vinegar or a cup? Maybe, but Angry Mama's kind of cute and it makes cleaning the microwave fun, so why not?